Building on the AU-EU Innovation Agenda, the Africa Higher Education Centers of Excellence program is hosting its Maiden ACE International Partnerships Workshop at the InterContinental Mauritius Resort Balaclava Fort from Tuesday, May 8th to Friday, May 10th, 2024. Driven by a strategic collaboration between the World Bank, the Association of African Universities, the Inter-University Council for East Africa, and the French Development Agency, this transformative event will bring together over 400 influential officials from Africa, Europe, and other continents, comprising higher education leaders, private sector representatives, development partners, project team members, subject matter experts, government representatives, and policy think tanks. The workshop, themed Building Pathways Towards Sustainability Through Collaborative Research and Innovation, seeks to create a platform for forging new partnerships, reinforcing existing ones, and deepening strategies to stability of the ACE initiative. Its specific objectives are to 1. Provide open peer learning opportunities to centers of excellence from Africa, Europe, and other continents. 2. Identify potential areas of collaboration in research and innovation. And 3. Engage private sector representatives and investors to support the commercialization of research developed by the Centers of Excellence. Experience engaging panel discussions, student activities, and industry pitching sessions at this event as we derive transformative change through strategic partnerships and set the stage for the ACE at 10 celebrations scheduled to hold later this year. Register for the International Partnership Workshop via the link on your screens.